Hello everyone, this is Angela and I'm out here at these two containers. As you know, I planted potatoes earlier. Well, all the vines have died and I think harvest time has arrived. I'm hoping I have a few potatoes out here to harvest. Let's see. Of course, you know, when the vines die back, it's okay to start to harvest. So I guess I'm going to try and see what happens. Let's take a look. Well, here we are. I've just dumped out the first container, and as you can see, not a bad potato there. A couple of little babies here. Let me sift through some more just to see what's showing up here. Okay. Well, hey. Small, modest, but what the heck. I didn't know what I was doing and I planted them late. So, here we go. A couple of other little potatoes there. Oh, and look, I still have some more here. Okay, what's coming out? Huh. Very interesting. What do they call these? New potatoes or something? This is just that very first of the containers. I think that's pretty much it for container number 1. But hey, I shall not complain. At least none of them are green potatoes. You know, those are poisonous. So, okay, that's what came out of the first container. Let's see what happens in the second one. Okay. Let me see if I can get a little bit better angle here. Okay, now, oh, look at this. Okay, very interesting. Okay, wow. Okay, lots of little ones that are here. I'm gonna put that over there with some of these others. And look at this. Look inside this big bundle here. Okay, very interesting. I'm intrigued by these little baby potatoes here. And that could be the variety. Oh, wow, this is a whole cluster. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Interesting. As you can see me breaking up this big mound here. Any more in here? No, it doesn't appear to be. But thankfully, none of them are green, which is very important. Oh, here's another little bit in here. Okay, well, hey, 2 containers. I planted them very, very late. They got in, I'd say, mid-June was when they really went into these 2 containers that you see over here. So, and I only got one sort of medium size, well, smallish medium size potato. But hey, oops, now here's one that's definitely not good. It's kind of mushy and clearly will be discarded. But 2 little ones there that are hard. But this one I will certainly toss that because it's mushy and soft, and who knows what happened with that. But the others, smallish potatoes. I don't know if one has to cure them. I've got to research and figure out what to do next. But happy to share this with you. My very first potato harvest. How about that? A little bit of potatoes, small amount. Might make at least a meal, maybe some hash browns or something for a nice breakfast meal. But I'm learning a little bit, and we'll be ready next year for something even better. And of course, now I have some soil that has to be amended and put in the bed, perhaps for another crop of something else next year. And I will probably use more. I'm not disappointed by using the containers. That was really okay. And hey, no complaints here at all. Small, modest harvest, but for a person who had no idea what they were doing. I think I was at Walmart one day and saw some starting, whatever you call them, potato starts, and just bought them on a whim and didn't plant them right away. So that's how I ended up even having them. But just wanted to share that with you. Modest potato harvest, but for our first time, hey, not at all a complaint. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to plant something and always eat what you grow. Take care, everybody. Bye.